As we continue to battle the coronavirus pandemic, I wanted to make you aware of what our crews may ask of you if you ever need our help. At this present time, our crews will attend all incidents with personal protection equipment, or PPE. What you may not be aware of is that they may also ask you, the patient, to put on a surgical mask. The reason they do this is to not only protect you, but also for the protection of the people around you. This may be families, our crews, or other people you may come into contact with. If we do ask you to put on a mask, please do not be alarmed and follow the instructions of our staff. We know the vast majority of our patients trust us, and we thank you for that. We understand how distressing this situation may be, and we also understand that putting on a mask while having shortness of breath may seem counterintuitive, but it is the right thing to do. Unfortunately, over the past few weeks, our staff have reported a growing number of instances in which patients have been aggressive and even been the subject of an assault after asking a patient to put on a mask. Assaulting our staff is never acceptable, no matter the circumstances. We are here to help, never to harm. We ask all of you, the people of Wales, to please continue to trust our staff and to comply with the instructions we may give you. Stay safe, everyone.